Good morning, everybody. I'm back on September 6th with a bonus video. Today, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Prizerebel. This is my go-to site whenever I need to hop on and make some extra money to buy groceries or buy gas or go out with friends or whatever the case may be. I always cash out to PayPal. That's my choice, but they have a lot of gift card options. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how you can earn at least $5 a day if you put the steps into action. So this is your dashboard. This is your points. I have $1.79, 179 points, which equals $1.79. Every 100 points is $1. The levels, when you sign up, you're bronze, then you go to silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay. Now you'll want to do these YouTube videos. I encourage you to make a YouTube channel, upload every day. Show people that this is real. People will start to like, know, and trust you the more they see your videos, and then you'll get referrals. Okay. Yes, you do make money on your referrals, but if people sign up and then don't do anything, which I'll show you in a minute, it doesn't matter. So you're going to come on here and you're going to make $5 every single day with this tutorial in 2023. So today they have a survey bonus. So you can click on this. It's going to take you to the page. You get 10% more on surveys, okay? And they're going to give you the surveys that you get bonuses on, okay? So this isn't always here. Here's your daily challenge. When you reach 106 points, they give you 10. If you do your challenge for 5 days, they give you an extra 50 cents. Here's your raffle. Okay, that's what they're raffling off. Sephora gift card. Here's your reward goal. Okay, I have 321 points until I can cash out. Here is your referral link. Okay, how would you like to earn 100 to 500 points a day? That's $1 to $5 when you share your link. Okay, so your surveys, pro surveys, your daily survey. Okay, if you do your daily survey, if you do 6 of these, you'll make your $5. And no, you're not going to qualify for every one of them. But if you get on here and you're honest and you fill out your profile correctly, you'll qualify for most of them. Okay. I used to get on here and just do my 6 surveys, cash out, and hop off. Okay. Do 6 of these surveys, the daily surveys. Okay. Then you can go to offer walls. Okay. I love offer walls. Okay. I always do Offer Toro, AdGate, Revenue Universe, and Ascend. Okay. So I go to every one of them every single day. Okay. And I scroll through, and whatever offer that I feel like I can do, you can go to the featured, free videos, surveys, shopping, free trials, sign up, or mobile apps. Okay. And you can do this. Okay. If you search, you get 1.8 points. Okay. And they do add up. Everybody says, well, it's not a lot of money. Okay. Here's your survey router, 54 cents per survey. Okay. Modern Earn Club, you get $1.95 if you do their free trial. Okay. I always do free Truth Finder. If you want to do Pandora, 90-day free trial, you get 90 cents. Okay. Friday Jobs, apply and earn, $2.40. There's always stuff to do here, guys. You're going to get on here and you're going to do as many offers and as many surveys as you can so that you can cash out every single day. Okay. If you sign up for the Unlimited Sip Club, they give you 90 cents. Okay. If you search jobs through talent, you get 2 cents. Free crypto rewards, you get 1.3 thousand points. Okay. AARP rewards. You get $2.43. Okay. Government assistance. Complete the sign up to receive your free guide. You get 36 cents. So you guys can do this. You're going to invite your friends as well. Let me show you that. Okay. They have an affiliate program, which means when you sign up, then whoever signs up under you, you make the money when they make money. Okay. But if somebody doesn't do things, then don't. You don't make any money. So as a referral, your referrals complete surveys, you will get a 30% bonus based on their earnings. If they earn 1,000 points, which is $10, you will earn $3. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Okay, so I have 116 referrals. Total, I've earned $82.81 from. I've had 4,128 clicks. I love the referral program. What I do is I do videos just like this showing people that you can make money. Here's my stats. So, what happens is I have people click on the link, but then they don't complete the sign up process. Okay. So I've had 43 people click, but no one actually signed up. Okay. So I want to show you that I can get on here and I can make some money from surveys and offer walls. And it doesn't matter. Let me show you what I've done to earn these points. I did a revenue universe offer for 47 cents. They gave me a promo code. I got a special level bonus. I send media offers. I watch videos. My July level bonus. I did a revenue universe offer. I did an send media offer. I watched videos. I entered a code and got 50 cents. Just little things, guys. You can do this as well. So make sure that you use the link in the description so that you get a bonus. Current points balance at 179. Points earned today, 0. Points earned yesterday, 0. Points earned this month, 54 cents. Points earned this year, $46.96. Lifetime points, I've earned $634.87. I've claimed 110 rewards. I have 116 referrals, but they're not doing anything, so it doesn't matter. Today's referral points is 0 because everybody wants to claim that people sign up and that's how people are making their money. No, I come on here all the time and make my money and cash out because $5 a day times 7 is $35 a week that goes into my PayPal account. Okay, so get on here, make this money, join the survey bonus, get on here, do your surveys, cash out for whatever you want. Let me show you the rewards real quick. There's tons of rewards. Okay, Amazon and PayPal, Rixie Razor Gold gift card, Apple, PayPal, Visa gift card if you don't have PayPal, Michael's. Like there's tons and tons and tons and tons of gift cards. And this is when you need to start planning for Christmas because Christmas is coming. Burger King, Chipotle, Starbucks, GameStop. There's tons and tons of rewards, guys. And you can do this as well. So get on here, make your $5 and get off. Run your videos, do your offers, do your surveys. I know surveys aren't the most fun, but you can earn money. I used to get on here every day and make $5 and I wouldn't leave my laptop till I made that $5. And if you go look back at my past videos, I have older tutorials that show you how I did it. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. This is a bonus video. It's going to be under Prizerebel Review 2023. Make sure that you sign up so that you can get a bonus when you use my link, because that's going to get you that much closer to cashing out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus video today. I hope it helps. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I drop new videos. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I have 716. So please subscribe for the latest content on Get Paid To sites. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and keep earning.